Greetings punters, Ben here. We are about to draw Grail Punt 351, which is Mix Thor 337. Lots and lots of places, 301 places, all right. So, Mick, going live. All right, Wednesday, August 12th, it is 1:40 in the afternoon. And it is 1:40 in the afternoon. All right, back up to those 10 million spots. Kamikaze Kevin. All right. 301. Ian at number 1, just checking for any unusual spots. $301. All right, all good. Now, yes, you can put cookies in. All right, 3 dice roll. Oh, geez, that's a big one. All right, 6 and 4 is 10, and 6 is 16. 6 and 4, 10, and 16. All righty, here we go, 16. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, these sliders are a killer. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all right, so far we have done 14 times of a possible 6 and 4 is 10 and 6 is 16. So we have 2 more to go. Okay, second to last. All right, that's 15 times. Next one is for the winner of Mix Thor 337. Good luck, fellas. Ooh, there we go. 16 times, 16 times. And our winner for the book is Pete Healthy. Congratulations, Pete. It's a name we haven't seen for a while. Well done. Get in contact with Mick to claim your book. Done. All right. Thanks for playing. Catch you next time.